today because we ordered
another Jolse haul.
So if you're interested in what we have in our order, then
just keep watching. Okay, we've unpackaged everything. Time for y'all. Bubble wrap.
We're done.
Okay. Sorry guys.
We had
derailed. Alright, my first one, I'm just gonna do the one that we got for Roy, or that I got for Roy. So, similar to last time, we got the Nature Republic Snail Solution set again, but I noticed that there was a guy version, so I was like, let's get you the guy version. But the reason why I wanted him to use this one instead was mainly because I thought this packaging was so minimalistic and pretty. Like, look at that. So I was like, let's, instead of getting the other version, the other version was like a pump version, but I think this one, oh, this one's also pump right here for the emulsion. But I think toner, you just like, listen to this. This one is just like, you bring it out like that, but nice. I really like the packaging on it. Like
looks
just
like glass,
the minimalisticness of it. And then the soap thing is just what he always used like last time, but after he started using this, I would say that his skin has gotten a lot better. He's been getting compliments on his skin. So he's been upgrading on me and I'm just like, let me catch up. Let me catch up. But yeah.
I got, you know, the basics. Every time I order a Jolse haul, I got to get my Hylauronic Acid Intensive Cream from COSRX. You guys already know what this is, but I'll just show you. It's a really thick cream that, it's literally my holy grail, and I got two. I got one for me and one for my mom, so yeah.
Next, I'm really excited for this one. So, Innisfree came out with a My Foundation where basically it has 3 components to it where it matches your skin, the coverage level, and then the dewiness level. And so you can customize it accordingly. And so I got it to be in the middle of between matte and super glowy. And then I got it to be semi-high coverage. Out of 5, I got 4 coverage. And then the shade I just got Natural 21. I really like the aspect of how you could just customize the foundation to what you want it to be.
Ooh, that's
and then the packaging looks like this. And specifically mine is 2.4. And it looks like it's about 30 milliliters, so I don't know, that's kind of typical. And then it has a squeezy tube on the top. So
thank you.
But I like the fact that unlike ColourPop, this one actually has a cap to go over it, so it's really travel friendly. So you don't have to worry about
sanitary.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about it like opening or like squeezing on you. So I'm really excited. I'll do
It looks expensive.
It wasn't that bad. It was like 20 something dollars. I guess it's more expensive than ColourPop, more expensive than Maybelline, but yeah. I'll do a review on this and let you guys know.
Me and Laura both got this, but it's like her suggestion. Vitamin C serum. It says 20%. And yeah, I just got it because, like, you know, I get hyperpigmentation whenever I get acne or stuff. Like, no, without a doubt, even if I don't touch it, like, always. So vitamin C helps to like even out the skin tone and brighten. So
as well as it has really good anti-aging benefits to it as well. So
it literally looks like medicine.
Yeah, so it comes like this initially.
And then it has a dropper.
And then it comes with the dropper. Dude, when I was a kid, my mom would have like the Estee Lauder
oh yeah, the intensive care.
Yeah, the intensive care one. And what I would do with it was I would pretend that it was my bottle and I'd be like a baby and I'd be like,
oh yeah. Oh, I just read this. Before and after opening, store in the fridge so that the vitamin C component, because it's sensitive to temperature changes.
Yeah, and sunlight. So you want to keep it out of direct sunlight. All right, next for me, I got Elizavecca Witch Piggy Help Pore Galactomyces Pure Ample. This is the packaging as usual. Elizavecca is always really cute with her packaging, but it's like in a clear
more medicine.
I know, it's in a clear like bottle like this.
Baby bottle pop.
I remember before I bought it there was a reason as to why, but I don't remember what Galactomyces does now. Okay.
Oh, antioxidant effects.
Nutrient dense yeast.
Improves skin's moisture barrier.
Byproduct of fermented sake. So sake, I know it has like anti-aging benefits, some brightening benefits, but...
And it says protects the skin from environmental stress.
Moisturizing agent and has antioxidant effects.
It seems like it's a, you know, Ace of Cards thing.
Yeah, we'll see if it does any good for my skin, but we'll keep you updated. What's another Jolse haul, guys, without... I'm trying to make
cleaning damn pores. Hi.
So like we said in our last Jolse haul, this one super good with removing them blackheads.
The nasty.
There's 3 steps in it. The first step basically like brings out the blackheads or makes it easier for step 2 to pull it out, and then step 3 you just like fill it in.
Seals it all back in and shrinks them pores.
Yeah, basically. And another one, we got this for Roy as well because rather than, so I know it's not good to do this a lot because it does enlarge your pores, but it's just so satisfying.
Well, and it's like gross if they're just like stuck all up in there.
So on days where I'm like, I want a silky smooth skin or nose, then I'll use that. But on other days when I do see like some buildup going in, I ordered this APU Lovely Beauty tool on my last Jolse haul, but Roy was really obsessed with it too. So not that he used it, but he liked the idea of it.
Yeah.
And so I got it for him. There's like 2 sides to it. There's a softer bristle side where it's like, and all of it's silicone. So obviously this part right here has more bristles. And then this one is like a little bit duller, but bigger bumps, I guess. So this one on the bigger bump side, I'll go over it like on this part of my face, but for this, the softer bristle side, I'll use that on my nose. And then it even comes with this part right here.
Extractor.
Yeah, an extractor. So you can even put it on your nose and then really get in there to extract your blackheads or even like a zit or pimple if you wanted to. But after I use it, I always wash it with like my hand soap, and then I always spray it with a little bit of alcohol because I don't want it to get contaminated and
and
rub that all over my skin.
Yeah, luckily it's made of silicone too because that'll keep the germs like down. Okay, I don't even know what to do next. This is like one of the things I was like, Laura, when we make a Jolse haul, I need to buy this because I've been friggin' wanting to try it.
I don't even know what this is. Frozen cream.
I just bought it. Okay, like neither do I, but but it was just so cute and like I don't know. So basically, it comes in a box like this. It's super cute.
I love the packaging, the coloring.
Yeah,
it's like
the coloring.
It does look like ice.
Yeah, and then look, the packaging looks like effing ice cream. Like, so cute. So it's supposed to be like moisturizing and also like you can freeze it and it turns into a completely different texture.
Whoa.
But it's like
it doesn't really smell like anything.
Gel. I don't know if you can see it off the back of that. But basically when you freeze it, online the pictures made it look like it turned into some sort of like slushy.
Oh, cool.
So it turns into a completely different consistency.
How did you hear about this?
I just saw an ad like on the site of Jolse and I was like, I want that.
You want it? Okay.
Yeah,
makes
so
sense.
like we will do a review for sure on this.
Okay, I think this is the last one for me, but I tend to run out of face creams really fast, and so I needed to get some more, basically. But this one, it's like, it's in...
I'm dead!
I know, the way they packaged it is like the old like Pulang, or like, you know, where Koreans, back in the days, Koreans use these jars. I don't even know what they're called. But it's like this clay pot type of thing. But they kind of packaged it a little bit similar to that.
It's so cute.
But not really, because this is like way cuter and it's not a clay pot. But I got this, it's called Joseon Menial. So like Joseon is like a certain type of dynasty in Korea, and then it's like the Menial is like the beauty of that time, I guess. So when I was reading up on this earlier, it gave a lot of benefits, obviously just like nourishing, anti-aging, that kind of stuff. So I wanted to give it a try, and also because of
I like don't even want to open it.
I know.
It's so cute.
It's like something else, and then it looks like that. It was on the pricier side from what I remember.
Oh my god, like this is literally made of leaves. That is so pretty.
Oh, and it does come with a little spatula.
A little spatch.
Spatch.
I got this off of Laura's recommendation too because I've this. I've just been so tired that I need some under eye help. So I got like the Black Pearl and Gold Hydrogel eye that Laura ordered. I think, was it last time?
It was like 2 times ago.
2 times ago?
Like the very first time, I think.
Yeah, so there's like 60. Wait, 60?
Yeah,
60. So 30 uses.
Which is good for 1 month.
Yeah.
If you do it every day.
It's sealed. They're just like gold little jelly eye patches. But I'm really excited to use those. I don't know. I think it's just for hydration, right?
And it has like gold and snail in it, so it's gonna have the brightening effect as well as the super hydrating effect.
So I got that, and then I'll just kind of lump these two together so it goes by a little faster. This is the weirdest product. Me and Laura were so confused because I was like, yeah, just order me the cherry flavor. And she was like, is Acerole cherry? And I was like, yeah, I think so. But
I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it.
Or, I don't know. It's spelled like that. It's by Tony Moly. It's sealed, so I can't even smell it. Also, my nose is stuffed, so I can't even smell it. But I got that because I was running out of facial cleanser. I was actually the most excited about this. It's it's a potato sleeping pack. It's literally made of potatoes. Uken kamja mik?
Pick.
Oh, pick. It's by Ipyu. And
I'm so excited for this more than anything.
We'll review that too, guys.
The way they had or advertising this online,
it looks like mashed potatoes.
Yeah, when you squeeze it out, it looked like mashed potatoes.
Watch it smell like mashed potatoes. I will eat it.
But what do potatoes even do for you?
They brighten.
Really?
Like, you know, people with like dark underarms. Yeah, they'll literally slice a potato in half and rub it under there. In a couple weeks, it turns white.
Oh, every single day you do it?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's crazy. So I'm trying to, yeah, like, I'm sure it'll work. I don't know. And it's heated.
Oh, and it's supposed to be a sleeping pack, so you sleep with this on.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Interesting. For the beauty.
Dude, I'm so excited for you to try this too.
Yeah, I got this because I'm super obsessed with the Dior lip glow, but like that's expensive. So I saw this and I was like, I need that. The packaging is literally the same.
I know.
It's really cute. Like, so they're like super tiny. So it's from the brand Secret Key, and it's the Sweet Glam Tint Glow Mini Kit.
It does smell.
Oh,
it smells, this one smells like...
So here's like a pink.
A little cherry-ish.
Here's a pink, and then what's it called?
Oh, this is orange. And then there's pink. This one is orangey. This one is pink.
What's this?
And then this one is baby pink. I like the orange one the best. But the packaging, it doesn't, like when you close it,
expensive.
Yeah, when you close it, there's like it's just not satisfying.
Okay, well there's the 3
colors. It feels cheaper.
Yeah, so that's the baby pink color.
This is baby pink, this one's pink, and this one's orangey.
They're still kind of warming up, so I'm sure in a couple minutes it'll start. But I want to try one. You want to try one? I want to see, because the Dior one's really moisturizing. But these are cute for like travel.
Oh, I already see it working.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They don't feel as like...
moisturizing.
Yeah, as a Dior, but it's still moisturizing. Oh, whoa, I see it too. That's pretty. I think this, like, for 3 of these, it was like half the price of like the actual one lipstick from Dior.
It's super cute because you never really wear any like pinky colors.
I only ever wear.
Wow, you're going in on top.
Yeah, I want to try all of them. Can I use that mirror? Whoa, this one's like rose pink.
Can I try the orange one?
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. What do you guys think? I kind of love
I like it. I really like the orange.
It feels good too. Like it's light but also moisturizing.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's what we got. Oh yeah, we got.
And
like,
then Savis. The cutest one in the service thing though is this lip tint from Tony Moly, and it's a gel, or it's a Get It tint. Red Hot is the color. But look at it.
It's like a little cherry.
And then we have a Foodholic Natural Touch Collagen Moisture Hand Cream. Looks like that. We have a really ugly thing that a lot of Asians use to get rid of your dead skin on your body.
Oh yeah.
But it does work.
It does work.
Yeah, basically it just fits on like a glove and then you rub it and then a bunch of stuff comes off.
And then they gave us a face mask. I'm not sure what the brand. Secrets.
Okay, thanks.
Secrets. Yeah, aloe vera.
Ooh, nice. And then we have a shampoo from Nature Republic, the Argan Essential Deep Care Shampoo. So it's really good for traveling.
Oh, another one.
2 of them. And then next is CNP Laboratory, which is an invisible peeling booster. So,
oh, is that the one where you like rub it?
yeah, where you rub it on your skin and then it comes off like dead skin cells, like crustiness.
Oh wait, look, it says no need for further rinsing.
And then we got some socks.
And this hair tie.
And we got a hair tie, the pink hair tie.
Actually, these socks are cuter than last time.
And then, drum roll.
You're like, what? That emphasis. It's like a box toy.
Should we just try making it right now?
Yes.
Okay. Look at that.
Let's see how it goes.
So Chanel's gonna get the bottom and I'm gonna get the head.
This is not.
Oh my gosh, there's a piece for his hair. Oh, and it's supposed to turn out.
hair.
It's supposed to turn out like this, right there in the corner. His hair looks like Roy's hair. Oh my god, it's exactly.
Let's give it to Roy.
This is Roy. The fact that I just said that this is my boyfriend. Literally, I kid you not, this is exactly what my boyfriend's hair looks like. It looks like a semi-mustache.
Ew, look at him.
It's actually really cute.
He's the new member of our YouTube channel.
Basically.
See?
Mr. RX.
Alright, yeah, that's all we got.
Well, that's all we have for you guys. Sorry about our little arts and crafts project, but we definitely wanted to share it with you because it was too good not to. Like, how can we not?
Anyways, we will have reviews of some of the products coming up. And yeah, if you liked our video and our hauls, then give this video a like.
And if you really liked our videos or just us, then
subscribe to our channel.
And as always,
cheers to a good week, guys.
Bye.
ASMR time.